Hello everyone and welcome to the Math, Physics, and Computer Science, I would say department, but I guess video. In honor of everything being virtual this year, I am also trying to introduce you to our department via Zoom and screen sharing, so hopefully it's going pretty well. My name is Lisa Bromberg. I am the interim department chair of the Math, Physics, and Computer Science department, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about some of our majors. Mostly, I think the most interesting thing about our department is that we're interdisciplinary and everyone in our department really likes helping students find and pursue their passions within the realm of anything related to math, physics, and computer science in the slightest. So the majors I'm going to talk specifically about are math, in conjunction or not with education, and the computer and information sciences. And so that last bullet point is CS+, which is a new area that we've introduced as an option for students to get even more interdisciplinary than just math, physics, and computer science, but take that computer science to other departments as well. So the first subject I'm going to talk about is math. And so full disclosure, I've been a math major at every opportunity that I've had to choose a major. So I think the reason you should study math is because it teaches you how to think critically. So yes, you'll learn some calculus, you'll learn some linear algebra, you'll learn some real analysis, you'll learn a lot of content, but mostly math teaches you how to think critically. And that is a skill that is marketable to really any area that you would want to get a job. We also focus a lot on communication. So oral communication, written communication, interpersonal communication. And we focus on pure and applied math. So we have a variety of subjects that are covered and job opportunities here. Many of our students complement their math major with a teacher certification for secondary education. So that's sort of like a pipeline into a job that way. A lot of math majors can also pursue fields in the actuarial sciences and jobs in finance in general. But you could go to law school with a math degree. You could study environmental science further with a math degree. You can do pretty much anything that you want. My spouse has a math degree and he's a software developer, which leads us very soon into our next conversation. But I just wanted to comment a little bit on this picture, which is from our math club. We had a Rubik's Cube competition. This is pre-COVID times, which is why there's so many of us in a closed space and not wearing masks. That's not something that's going on right now, but hopefully will as soon as we move on to phase 4 in Massachusetts. So the other major focus of our department is computer and information sciences. And in this major, we really focus on experiential learning opportunities for students to develop real-world skills and apply those real-world skills as often and as early as possible. So we have a lot of internship opportunities. We have a lot of relationships with local companies for students to have internships or job opportunities in the summer or as they're graduating. So some of those job opportunities include animation, computer technology, software developer, programmer. We have a lot of options within the computer science major for students to pick a focus. So if you want to have a mathematical focus, a scientific focus, an educational focus, or a focus on design, we have some core courses that every CISC student takes, and then it's really what you want to make of it and how you want to focus. So if you want to take a lot of marketing and business management classes and focus on that aspect with computer science, then that's something that we can work with you on. And this is just another picture from another social gathering from last fall, Halloween, which is why our interim dean, who at the time was our department chair, James O'Brien, is dressed in costume. He doesn't normally dress like that. So that's a real quick rundown of our department. So here are all of our faculty and our admin. And so that's me with the arrow pointing towards the middle of my neck. So if you want more information on any of this, we can talk over email or Zoom or Google Hangouts or the phone, I suppose. I'm Lisa Bromberg again, so lbromberg@springfieldcollege.edu, and then going to the right from me, that's Jeff Gagnon, who teaches our physics labs and some of our like college algebra and pre-calculus classes. Then Tyler Markkinen is a math professor. We have Alejandro Satz, who's new to our department this year. He teaches physics. Kelly Lavoie in the bottom row is our admin, and she actually will probably have more information for you than I will. She's very nice, very helpful. James O'Brien is in the bottom in the middle there. He is a physics professor, normally our department chair, but right now is serving as the interim dean of the School of Arts and Sciences. And in the bottom right, we have Andrew Perry, who's a professor of math and computer science. So hopefully I hear from you guys soon, and good luck choosing a major.